is, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day. Finally getting to put the last security light up. I'll watch how I do it. See if you enjoy it. Maybe you learn a thing or two. What I'm doing here is making sure I get everything, all the debris out of the way, so when I put my back plate up, I get a good flush mount and it doesn't push the light off the wall and water doesn't get behind it. Make sure you always put all 4 fasteners in, as this is a heavy light and you wouldn't want it to fall and hurt somebody. Also, always make sure you're level. You got to start with a great foundation or your end product's going to be shit. This is the fixture I'm going to be hanging today. It's a LED, newer style. When I say this thing is over 40 pounds, it is every bit of over 40 pounds. This thing here is probably roughly 42 pounds. Pretty stout. Out is an understatement. But I like to feed my wires through. If you try to make the joint inside the fixture, it crams it, it's hard to make. It's a lot easier if you feed it through to the inside and make your joint inside. That's what I'm doing here. Once I get it up and hanging, I like to hand tighten my screws just so it doesn't fall, and then I'll put my level on and ease them up a little bit, probably a half a turn each one. A lot of people say you can't adjust these. People say you can't adjust these, but you can. You adjust them with your set screws right here. Once you get them tight, every little bit will kick it left and right. You just have to watch your level and know what you're doing. Little by little and see which one takes it which way. So before any of you trolls start up, you can level it. And I'll show you its level before I end the string. Once you get your light level and it's securely fastened, you're done. Go to the inside, make your joints, and that's it. If this helps in any way, y'all go subscribe and check out some of my other content. I appreciate it. Have a great day. There you have it. I don't know how long it was, but it wasn't long at all. 40-pound security light in the air. Last one. 26 complete. Y'all go subscribe.